Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious milkshake. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite ice cream, 1/2 cup of cold milk, and any flavorings like chocolate syrup or fruit. Make sure your blender is clean and ready to go. This easy guide will have you enjoying a perfect treat in no time. Now let's get blending. Carefully scoop about 2 cups of ice cream into your blender. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of cold milk. If you're adding syrup, fruit, or other mix-ins, now is the time to include them. Secure the lid and blend on a low speed, gradually increasing until your milkshake is perfectly smooth and creamy. Don't overblend. Achieving the perfect consistency is key for a great milkshake. If it's too thick, add a splash more milk, about 1 tablespoon at a time. If it's too thin, add another small scoop of ice cream. Blend in short bursts, just for a few seconds, to avoid making it too runny. Remember to scrape down the sides of the blender with a spatula to ensure everything is well combined. Your delicious homemade milkshake is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the creamy mixture into your chilled serving glasses. For an extra special touch, you can add a dollop of whipped cream, some colorful sprinkles, or a cherry on top. Grab a straw and savor every sip of your perfectly blended, refreshing treat. Enjoy your easy-to-make creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.